Well, it's an absolutely beautiful day here, as you can see, and things aren't all that tidy because we still have some messes from the last storm, but that's St. Bart's out there, and over this way is Gibbs Bay. We're on Tamarin Hill here, down on the neighbor's pool. And here comes Luna. Here's my girl Luna, my favorite dog in the world. And that's the hillside that's to our right. And David's nice gazebo. And the pool guy just put some stuff in there, so that looks a little funny, but and the damage from the storm to the ficus.